Welcome to Hockmeyer Outdoors, and on this episode, we're taking this pop-up camper on its maiden voyage, so y'all stay tuned. Raining pretty good, didn't really expect that, but while we're doing this, I'll go over a few of the specifics of the camper. It is a 2001 Starcraft. We bought it last year in October. Bought it from a guy in Illinois. Spent about $2,500 on it. It needed some work for sure, but we definitely went through it all, and I'll show that to you later. But we redid the inside. The outside still needs a little bit of work to it, but it's a work in progress. We didn't want to spend a lot of money initially in case we didn't like doing this, because I've never owned a pop-up camper or really been in one, so we're gonna try it out. Alright, we on the road again. We got the cooler loaded down with ice. I took the old hickory and stabbed the bag open. I got a few looks doing that for some reason. I don't know why. I was putting the ice in the cooler. But we are on the road. We are headed to Harrison Crawford State Forest. We're going to be camping for the weekend, trying this old thing out here. Y'all stay tuned. Tell you what, folks, these things are almost a pleasure to pull. They don't weigh, but this one here particularly only weighs about 1,200, maybe 1,300 pounds. It's not really bogging me down or anything. Like, I got the old F-150. It's got the 4.6 liter in it, and it's not caused me any issues. Well, got her all set up. Let's take you inside here real quick. So I guess after we get it all figured out, it would be better. That is the extra bed here. Got the seating area. Got the Mr. Buddy there. That's going to be heating us up probably way too much. Got everything kind of set up here. That is our sleeping bed. Don't have it all the way set up yet, but we redid the whole inside of this thing. I still gotta get the outside, but we put new flooring down. Came out nice. We put some sticky stuff up that put there. We repainted everything, put new handles on. This is it. Came out nice. We also redid all of the curtains and everything. I'll try to put some pictures of the old, how it looked before. But nice, comfy little area. I mean, this is real comfy. That's the main thing right there. Gotta get that AC. So for our heating, we're gonna be using that Big Buddy heater there. That's gonna get this place hot. So we had the Buddy heater on. It got way too hot. So we're gonna be using the little electric one for a while. It's gonna burn us out. First meal we're gonna make some eggs and bacon. We'll make some breakfast burrito, breakfast tacos, I guess you'd say. Just bacon cooking. We got the bacon cooking. We'll whisk up some eggs in a cup. Let that sit for a minute with just some salt and pepper. pepper. So it said on the menu this morning we're having some breakfast burritos. The first meal we're making in the camper here. It's going pretty good. I'm gonna put the eggs right here in this oil. Because it's bacon grease, you don't get rid of that. No way. The bacon grease eggs are done. Get a little taste out here. Oh yeah, that's so good. A little more salt. A little more pepper. And we're ready to get these plated up. All right, we're gonna plate this up. Got them bacon grease eggs on there. Get some cheese. Get some of that bacon. Some fresh pita gallo I made the other day. McDonald's ain't got nothing on this, I'm telling you right now. We'll give it a try. Man, that's so good. Really good. Good first meal in the camper here.
Good.
This has been our little sink area right here. We got this at Walmart. Filled with water. Been plenty of water for us so far. I haven't filled it up. Just using the bucket as a little washing area. Been doing pretty good. All right, folks. Definitely, you got a pop-up camper. Get these. We got them off of Amazon. You put them on top of your pop-up parts, like on top there, and they have like a reflective side, I should say, and then a plastic side. If it's cold, you put the reflective side down, and if it's hot, you put the reflective side on the outside. They work. They worked last night. They held the heat in really nice on these outside parts, on these pop-up parts, I should say. Definitely highly suggest those. Well, that's the end of our 2-day excursion with the camper. Pop-up camper. Came out pretty good. We learned some negatives about it, some positives about it, but all in all it was really good. I enjoyed it. Nice place to rest your head at night, you know, not in a tent or anything like that. And Mr. Buddy did really well to heat us up, almost too well. But it's a learning curve, and we're going to be doing this a lot more. But all in all, it was enjoyable. I want to thank y'all for coming along on the ride. Staying around with us.